Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be showing you another video of how to use the Excel sheets that are available on the website. The topic that we'll be looking at today is the Herfindahl-Hirschman Index, which is abbreviated as HHI. The topic actually appears in the economic section of level 1 and in the merger and acquisition of level 2. Right now, however, on the website it's only appearing under level 2 because there was no reading that was posted in relation to the economic section of level 1, but the same calculation method should be used for both levels. The only difference over here is that the measure, the index over in this particular reading is related to the antitrust laws and to basically measure the concentration of the market before and after the merger, and to determine if this merger would be potentially challenged or not. So from the reading that's posted on the website, and there is a link to it below the video, you will see that the following table should be used to measure the concentration of the market by comparing the post-merger HHI with the pre-merger, and to determine the industry concentration level. Based on that, to find out whether there would be any antitrust action or not. So the file that's available on the website under level 2 tab will show you that there are two cases for which HHI can be calculated and evaluated. The first case is to assume equal market share, and the second case would be to assume variant market share. So we'll do the first question right now. A certain industry had 8 companies currently operating, and all of them have equal market shares. Recently there has been a talk about a potential merger between 2 companies within the industry. Since they all have the same market share, it doesn't really matter which companies are merging. Find what is the pre-merger and post-merger HHI, evaluate the industry concentration level, and based on the change between the pre and post-merger HHI, would there be any antitrust action or not? So if we go to the Excel sheet, and again we have to enable the macro because for the file to work, and we click HHI equal market share, and we have 8 companies, and we assume that we are deciding to merge between 3 and 4. And here we go. We have the results over here. It tells you the pre-merger, the post-merger HHI, the concentration level, and the change in HHI, and whether there is any antitrust action or not. This is when the case was assumed an equal market share. If we have another case, which is the varying market share, we have the same information, except right now the market share of each company is not 12.5 anymore. We have the following schedule, which is telling you that first company has 15, second 14, third 12, fourth 17, fifth 12, sixth 10, and 7 9%, and the 8th company has 11%. So we have this schedule over here, and now it matters which companies are merging, and it's telling us that the merge is between 4 and 5, and we should basically do the same requirements again. So if we go to the second sheet over here, and we decide to rewrite that the number of companies we have are 10. We have a maximum of 10, 8, and we have a maximum of 10, so that shouldn't be a problem, because I don't think that there will be more than that in the exam or anywhere in the CFA curriculum. So we are merging between 4 and 5, and we have the market shares as follows: 15, 14, 12, and 17. Look over here as I'm typing that it's telling you that the sum is not 100%, which is a good warning in case you make any mistake. 12, 10, 9, and 11. Now the sentence has appeared, which means it's summed to 100%. This shows you the post-merger market shares, and now it's telling you that 15, that 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 8 all have market share as before. 4 and 5 have been merged, and the new market share for them is basically the sum, which is 17, and the 12, it's 29%. Based on the results over here, we have the pre-merger HHI, the post-merger HHI, the concentration, the change in HHI, and antitrust action. In this case, there might be a potential antitrust challenge. This is pretty much it about HHI index. If you have any questions, please make sure to email me on the website. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, to follow us on the blog in order to get notified about each new post, and make sure to follow us on our social networks, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, in order to be able to participate in the daily CFA trivia. Thank you all for listening, and goodbye.